There's a liquid that costs $1, one single dollar, and right now it is sitting on a shelf in a store near you, completely unlabeled for what it can actually do, because the moment the automotive industry admits the truth about it, a $14 billion detailing empire collapses overnight. Your car's paint is dying. Every single day, ultraviolet radiation is breaking down. The polymer chains in your clear coat. Road salt is oxidizing the metal underneath. Tree sap and bird droppings are etching microscopic craters into the surface. And the companies that profit from your ignorance have spent decades designing a system where you pay hundreds of dollars every few years to fix damage that never needed to happen at all. The average American spends between $300 and $800 per year on car washes, waxes, ceramic coatings, and paint protection. Multiply that across 280 million registered vehicles in the United States alone, and you start to understand the scale of what is at stake. This is not an industry that wants you solving this problem with a $1 bottle of anything. What you're about to learn has been quietly used by fleet mechanics, government vehicle managers, and old-school auto restorers for decades. It never made it into the mainstream conversation because it never needed to. The people who knew about it just kept using it. They never had an incentive to advertise it. But now that information travels differently, it is time for this to reach you. The story of this liquid begins not in a garage, but in a military research facility outside of San Diego, California, in the spring of 1953. A team of aerospace engineers working for a defense contractor called Rocket Chemical Company were facing a specific and urgent problem. The Atlas rocket shells being developed for early American ballistic missile programs were corroding on the launch pad. Salt air and coastal humidity were eating through the metal faster than protective coatings could be applied. The engineers needed a compound that could displace water from metal surfaces at the molecular level and prevent oxidation from taking hold in the first place. It took them 40 attempts to get the formula right. The product they eventually created was named after those 40 attempts. Water displacement, formula number 40, or WD-40. You probably have a can of it under your sink right now. You have almost certainly used it to loosen a rusted bolt or stop a squeaky hinge. But what almost nobody told you, what the automotive coating industry has had every reason to keep quiet, is that WD-40 applied correctly to clean automotive paint creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water, blocks UV penetration, and inhibits oxidation at a level that competes directly with products costing 30 to 50 times as much. Here is the science. Your car's clear coat is not a smooth, impenetrable surface. Under a microscope, it looks more like a sponge, full of microscopic pores and surface irregularities. Water, UV radiation, and oxidizing compounds find their way into those pores and begin breaking down the polymer structure from the inside. A standard wax fills those pores temporarily, but it degrades within 60 to 90 days. Ceramic coatings bond more permanently, but require professional preparation and application that costs anywhere from $800 to $2,500. WD-40's petroleum-based formula works through a process called molecular displacement. The compound is thin enough to penetrate those microscopic pores, but dense enough to push out the water and atmospheric contaminants that would otherwise cause damage. What gets left behind is a thin, hydrophobic film, a film that makes water bead and roll off the surface that blocks UV wavelengths from reaching the polymer chains underneath, and that creates a chemical environment where oxidation struggles to initiate. The compound also contains anti-corrosion agents that were originally engineered for aerospace-grade metal protection. These agents bond lightly with the surface they are applied to, forming a protective layer that does not simply sit on top of the paint, but integrates into the uppermost molecular layer of the clear coat. Now, consider what this costs you. A standard 14-ounce can of WD-40 runs between $4 and $6 at any hardware or grocery store. One can provide enough product for 3 to 4 full vehicle applications with material left over. That means a single full treatment costs somewhere between $1 and $2. Compare that to a single professional detailing wax job at $150. Compare it to a ceramic nano coating at $1,500. Compare it to the cumulative cost of monthly car washes over a single year. The math is staggering. Over a 5-year period, the average car owner in America spends approximately $2,000 to $4,000 on paint maintenance, protection, and cosmetic detailing. The WD-40 method, applied every 3 months, costs roughly $8 to $12 per year. The protection level, when applied correctly, is genuinely comparable for everyday environmental exposure: UV, rain, road grime, minor surface oxidation. This is not guesswork. This is physics. Here is exactly how you do it. Start with a clean, dry car. Wash it first with any standard car shampoo and let it dry completely. Water under the application layer defeats the hydrophobic effect. Then, take a clean microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of WD-40 directly to the cloth. Not to the car, to the cloth. You want even distribution, not pooling. Work in sections. Hood first, then roof, then trunk, then each panel in sequence. Apply the WD-40 in slow overlapping circular motions, the same way you would apply a wax. You will use very little product per section. A light, even coat is what you want. It should not look wet or greasy when you are done. If it does, you have used too much. Give the compound about 3 to 5 minutes to penetrate the surface. Then take a second clean, dry microfiber cloth and buff the surface in the same circular motion. The goal is to remove excess product while keeping the thin protective film intact. What you are left with is a surface that water rolls off of, that dust and road grime struggle to adhere to, and that is now shielded from UV oxidation at the molecular level. The whole process on a standard sedan takes under 20 minutes. Repeat it every 8 to 12 weeks, and your paint will look factory fresh indefinitely. This is not theoretical. In 2011, the Facilities Management Division of a coastal Louisiana municipal government ran out of budget for their standard fleet paint maintenance contract. A maintenance supervisor named Raymond Thibodeau, working out of a depot in Terrebonne Parish, started applying WD-40 to the department's 31 work trucks as a stopgap measure while new funding was requested. The funding never came. Thibodeau kept applying the compound on a quarterly rotation. 6 years later, when the fleet was finally evaluated for resale, an independent appraiser noted that the vehicles showed significantly lower paint oxidation than comparable age municipal fleets operating in similar coastal environments. The vehicles sold for more than projected. Thibodeau's maintenance log, which documented the WD-40 applications, became an informal reference document passed around among Gulf Coast fleet managers for years afterward. That is one example. The industrial and agricultural sectors have quietly used this method on high-value equipment for decades. Long-haul trucking operations in the Pacific Northwest, where rain, road chemicals, and salt spray create year-round oxidation pressure, have used WD-40 on cab exteriors as a cost-cutting measure and reported extended paint life, compared to untreated vehicles running the same routes. The automotive coating industry knows about WD-40. They have always known. The formula has been available and documented for over 70 years. The reason you're only hearing about this now in this video is because there is no mechanism within a profit-driven industry to voluntarily share a solution that costs you almost nothing. Every dollar you stop spending on premium detailing packages is a dollar that disappears from someone's quarterly revenue report. You now have the information they did not want you to have. A clean car, a microfiber cloth, and a $4 can of something that has been on store shelves since before most of us were born. That is all it takes. If this video reached you before it gets buried under algorithmic suppression and industry-lobbied content filtering, then you are part of the group that found out in time. Share this with the people in your life who are still paying for ceramic coatings they do not need, still scheduling overpriced detailing appointments, still watching their paint fade and chalk while they hand money to an industry that depends entirely on them never seeing this clip. Subscribe if you want to keep getting information like this. Information that exists in the open, that is grounded in real science, and that somebody with a financial stake in your ignorance would very much prefer stayed buried. There's a lot more where this came from, and it all costs a fraction of what they have been charging you.